A warm good afternoon to one and all present here. We at Viva Institute of Technology are proud to introduce our latest product, LoRa Emergency Communication System. When a disaster strikes, telecommunication saves lives. And our team ID is 65 from Electronics and Telecommunications Department. This is Tanvi, and following are my company partners who work together for successful making of the product. Here is the strategic planning in terms of roadmap to get an whole overview of our product. Firstly, I would like to introduce to our company whose logo is displayed on the screen. Our company is developed by collaborative efforts of some like-minded people who believe how essential the communication is during the crucial times of our lives if the cellular networks are disrupted. We also believe that our customers are the heart of our company. So their expectations, preferences like what they desire from our company is our main goal, and it should put up a challenge so that our team works wholeheartedly to give them the best revolutionary product. Make yourself heard. Let's be in touch. Outdoor trips are fun and adventurous. Talking about adventures, I wanted to share an incident of two best friends, John and Bob. Both of them found themselves in the same situation as they used to spend most of the time together. Once they decided to go for an adventurous trip at Brahmaputra River with a group of friends. Among all, John was a clever person. He used to wisely plan a trip and researched about it. In his research, he found that the region is disaster-prone area. But Bob was very fond of adventures and thrills, so he convinced John and his friends for the thrilling experience. But still, as said, John was smarter. He knew that a very well-planned trip can turn into a compromising one in a blink of an eye, and a solution to any problem is a communication. So he researched for a device which will make us stay connected, no matter where we are, even when the cellular network is disrupted. And he came across to our LoRa ECS device, which can be widely used by adventure enthusiasts and survivalists, as it comes handy in any survival situation. He bought that device immediately. Both of them and their friends excitedly got on the trip. But unfortunate things happened unexpectedly. Their group got separated and got stuck in the flood. John and Bob both got separated, but since John has purchased our device, so he was able to send an emergency message to rescue team or first responders. So the rescue team traced the location and saved John and the trapped victims around him immediately. Meanwhile, John asked about his other friends, but it was getting difficult to find them, and it took few days for first responders to search their location and rescue them because they didn't have our device or any communication system to get in contact. So with the help of our device, John and other victims around him were saved. So be clever and responsible and order your LoRa ECS device today itself. Little bit of awareness can save hundreds of lives. Our problem statement says that as we can see tremendous increase in number of disasters in the past recent years across the globe. Situations like this disrupt information and communication technology system, making it inaccessible during the time when the demand for it is at its peak. Cellular phones, internet services and land phones becomes useless. It is crucially important to have functional communication system. The society at large must be well protected, and the protection given by rescue team should be instant and immediate.
Solution. Here is a solution for the major problem of communication disruption during disaster. Our device will surely help you to stay connected no matter where you are. It will help you to send and receive the text message or trigger a SOS message for device to first responder who can save you. Your location can be easily tracked by GPS location. It comes with a powerful rechargeable battery that will last 90 hours on a tracking mode and 20 days in a power saving mode. An application is integrated with the device to make it more user friendly for our device customers. And LoRa ECS can be widely used for the adventure enthusiasts and survivalists, and it comes handy in any survival situations. You can have an overview of our device architecture.
According to SWOT analysis, our products gives long range with low power. It can transmit message at any range unless receiver and transmitter are in line of sight. We charge only one-time fees and no maintenance cost. To use our application, you just need to install it from Play Store, then connect your phone to OTG and type the message that you want to send. Then after clicking the SOS button, a customized message with your current location will be sent to any receiver in the area. Our product supports LoRaWAN and its battery can withstand easily 3-4 weeks without charging. It is flash proof and you can send and receive customized messages with a location sharing feature. These are some of our competitors, but in sense of network area and power consumption, we are way ahead of them. Such systems are very costly for installation. Still, our product is cheaper than other products in the market.
So now our target customers are the victims of the disasters, and also it can be used by the trekkers or for other adventure sports.
Let me walk you through our pricings. These are our estimated pricings. We are planning to manufacture 20 pieces per day, that is 5760 pieces in a year, which can be varied depending upon the orders from our customers. Our requirement cost includes expenses such as the electricity cost, labor cost, material cost, and all the necessary sensors. Fixed cost includes the factors such as rent for manufacturing unit, packaging cost, and marketing. By taking everything in account, we have calculated our yearly production cost, which will be approximately 1,03,92,000. MRP of our product is Rs 4,999. Our target is to sell 350 pieces per month. All the estimated values are on your screens. The estimated annual profit will be around Rs 1,06,08,000. Also, our business valuation will be around 1.5 crores. This is our business model. First of all, our value proposition or our product is LoRa ICS. Our key partners include sensor manufacturers. The main activity is manufacturing the parts of our products and then assembling them. Our customers are all the people living in the disaster-prone areas, adventure sports enthusiasts, and the disaster management authorities. We will be advertising our product via television ads and other sources. Also, our customers will get notified about newly launched products and services from the mobile application. We will be able to generate revenue from the product sold and also by the number of downloads on Google Play Store.
Life is safer and secure on the network. Be prepared and stay connected.
If you have any queries, you can contact us on the number on your screen or you can visit our website www.loraics.com. Thank you.